and everyone is actually very open, everyone is courteous, so we're helping each other. Even though it's online, I've never really felt like being left alone and behind. So it's a very, very helpful and kind environment. And what's good about it is as well that everything is very practical. It's connected like to real life situations, especially the challenges at the end of the modules.
Minutes or so that I speak about will be familiar, and that's not a problem at all, because every single course I teach starts with the same foundation.
And I think Hult offers the flexibility to do classes in a way that accommodates work, family, etc. It again has a very international approach, so I like that it has a big global perspective. So I think in that Hult it seemed to be very international. The curriculum is state of the art.